Hello everyone and welcome back. This video covers the Windows installation part of EdgeLedger. Just like on Linux and macOS, make sure Docker Desktop is installed first. Next, open the env.example file in a text editor. Copy your API tokens and credentials, paste them into the file, then save and close it. Now choose how you'd like to install EdgeLedger. You can right-click the installer windows.ps1 script and run it with PowerShell, or simply double-click installer windows.bat as I did. The installation process will begin. First run may take a little longer to finish. Once complete, your N8 link will open automatically. Create your account and set a password. If you'd like to unlock the paid version for free, enter your email and follow the instructions provided. Next, go to the Credentials tab and open your Notion account. Copy the token variable as an expression. You'll find the exact format in the README file. Paste it into the internal integration secret field, and then save and confirm. Return to the workflow and open EdgeLedger. Move any node slightly to trigger a save, then publish the workflow. EdgeLedger is now ready for production. From here, you can start journaling, fixing your trading issues, and building discipline with EdgeLedger. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video.